side, and I think Cape Verde are riding the emotions of a win. We saw some unbelievable scenes after their win against Venezuela. Anytime you can throw 11 warm bodies around Luka Doncic, you're going to have a chance. Such is the greatness of number 77 for Slovenia. Prevention's better than cure. Don't let him do that. Don't let him touch it.
Tavares, the baseball kick. Almeida, open court with the two-hand jam. Doncic off the screen. Hits the roller. Toby there. I call that the tea party.
Did Will Tavares.
And Almeida off back rim. An extra effort here by Will Tavares under the basket. The putback by Almeida.
Yep, you're right. Got away with a hook on that.
Tavares stepping out. Doncic gonna lose him for a hot second. And Nikolic, opposite wing, gets it for three. Tavares driving. He'll lay it in as nothing cleared for his teammate. Doncic, excuse me there, to Mike Toby.
And there's that connection. Tavares will be better served, just putting ball pressure on.
And again, the look for Toby, a kick. Nikolic on the wing, and he will stroke it, his second three ball here of the first quarter. Almeida shakes Doncic, and he'll drop in. The lefty gets it too. Dahosa back to Tavares. That one extended from the elbow, looks pretty.
It did, no hesitation, free throw line.
Dragic with the rock, no look past corner. Slovenia will keep playing with it. Doncic, extra pass, Dragic in the corner, that's what they wanted.
Yeah, really good ball movement.
Mensch, Almeida will give it a run. Mid-range jumper, drops in. And the pass knocked away this time. Doncic with the steal. The kick out, the finish, Prepelic.
That's a big piece of what Slovenia have to offer, not available.
Mensch having his way underneath the block. A fight for the rebound here, covered up by Tavares. And Dahosa will let it fly. Now, if he would have missed that, fans would have gone bonkers.
If Luka can just play at his tempo and have his way with it, he's hard to stop.
Prepelic, the feed to Toby, baseline, he's looking for help. Prepelic will let it fly, and he nails it. Dahosa. Ball goes inside. Cutter hit. Lay in on the left. What a run. Lima. Doncic driving on the baseline. Horvat, one extra pass to Prepelic. He's going lane, and he gets it. Nikolic with the ball driving. Prepelic, another three-pointer for Klemen Prepelic. Gomes driving baseline. Double comes. He'll feed it to a teammate. Lima finishing. Why not? Klemen Prepelic again. His teammate Nikolic there for the putback.
Finishing at the rim. They're last in assists. Averaging 14 assists a game.
Gomes taking his way. Almeida to Tavares, wing three, and it's nothing but net.
They just won't go away. Slovenia not paying enough respect to Cape Verde. The penetrating dish has been effective.
Prepelic on the left, the skilled marksman. Gomes Helter-skelter shot goes in as a fadeaway.
Maybe you can't challenge it, I'm not sure. Let's check.
Mets laying on the left, the feed from Prepelic.
Beautifully executed underneath out of bounds play.
Gomš taken away, out alone, Dragic. And Slovenia is making it look real easy. Extra touch over to Dragic, misses. And Cape Verde running the other way. Almeida, Gomš now for three, he hits it. Put back, O'Hare, and his teammate recovery, Dragic another chance, and there, Luka kissing to the heavens as he gets his first field goal. Tavares right into Doncic's hands. Doncic, Euro, extra pass, Summer. Doncic to Summer.
Top of your screen there, on the weak, trying to guard the ball, but he's holding his hip.
And O'Hare just shifting his way. Carrera gets the first touch in, down low to Tavares, and O'Hare the start here in the third. Tavares to O'Hare. Statement dunk, but he's gonna get teed up for the extra frill. Gomš behind.
They look tired. Now, this early stage of the tournament, that's a worry. But when you've got Luka on your side.
Lima's pass blocked by Doncic. Prepelic to his cousin, and one. Almeida slipping through. Open look. Lima in the corner, and he will make them pay.
The aggressive nature of the way he came off the screen and was able to just split the show.
Doncic fade away off the glass. Asking for some movement here. Pass here for Tavares. He gets up and takes care of business.
They really got things clicking.
Prepelic driving in, a little closer mid-range. Lima cutting through two defenders, extra feed, finish from Mensch.
They're able to split it. Good things happen.
Prepelic to Horvath. That one is good. Downtown three, added to Horvath. Stat line here. Lima laying with the left on the right. Doncic laying low. Almeida following him. No whistle, put back. Horvath, the sneaky man.
Yeah.
Immense rolling. Doncic will keep it for himself. And a technical going to be called here. Cape Verde's going to be a tight turnaround, actually, because the classification games pick up tomorrow. They'll join the group of Venezuela, Finland, and Japan.
Although he picked up his foul, I like what he was doing, trying to get up and in and make life difficult for Luka.
A block from Gomš.
Forced to just sacrifice a foul because they were going to get beaten on the boards.
Nikolic from the pass from Doncic. Gomš trying to stay in front of Doncic. He's spinning, fade away on the left. Glass helps him out. Doncic now with 19.
Did a really good job. Just the class of Doncic at the end prevailing.
Gomš will dribble in, mid-range. A miss. And Slovenia out in transition. No one catching Prepelic.
It's like Toby's just playing a one-man zone. They're prepared to let Tavares just shoot it wherever he wants. Could have taken another dribble in. Oh, my, what an alley-oop pass.
Privilege to Mike Toby.
Another one of the favourites, France. They've been knocked out early. Still playing, of course, but knocked out as far as a chance to win a medal.
Gomes spinning through traffic there.
Finished for the night. He ends up with 19 points, 9 assists, and 7 rebounds. But he only shot it at 5 of 17 from the field.
Lemon, Privilege.
Acutely aware of how difficult Australia is trying to guard Paddy Mills and the new brigade of Josh Giddey, Xavier Cooks.
Today in this contest, the conclusion of group in the first round here.
Too much more than 2 million for them to be as dominant as they are in basketball. Speaks volumes for their programs as well, and the way it looks that they can develop players.
Small nation, a whole lot of talent. And the game of basketball just spreading like wildfire across the globe.
A little erratic, which we saw earlier on when he ran into his own teammate in the open court. You know, they've got to take this and build. They've got to do the best they can in classification. Oh, yes, a nice pass. And it's Mr. Active himself, Coair.
Goes to the deck. Excuse me, Horvat there. He's still down on the other side as the final seconds tick away, and Mendoza hits a three-pointer. Epsamar will dribble this out. The guys will shake it up. And this game comes to a close.
Este escronzinho de terra que Deus espalha na medima, ele de nós é catumat na guerra, é Cabo Verde, terra querida. Este escronzinho de terra que Deus espalha na medima, ele de nós catumat na guerra, é Cabo Verde, terra querida. Oh, Cabo Verde, terra estimada, terra de paz, terra de gosto. Tudo quem chover para se regar, ele cata fraca, ele crê ficar, mas se mandado ele tá chorar. Oh, Cabo Verde, terra estimada, terra de paz, terra de gosto. Tudo quem chover para se regar, ele cata flaca, ele quer ficar, mas sem mandar ele tá chorar. Chorar, saudade queres morir, que não trazer na pensamento. Chorar, recordações eternas de tempo que tinha sofrimento.